The top of the tube is growing into the head, and the trunk of the body stretches down below. The head doesn't look much like a head yet, but at day 15, nerve cells begin to form in what will become the brain, as well as in the spinal column, which is exposed and totally unprotected by either skin or bone. For now, the mother is most likely unaware that her body is creating a protected world, one that can successfully sustain a pregnancy. Yet drastic changes immediately begin to sweep through her system. Her blood volume may increase by up to 50% to cope with the extra demand for oxygen from the parasitic growth in her womb. Once the embryo embeds itself in the uterus, it starts to draw from the mother's bloodstream all it needs to grow. One of the first organs to form is the heart. Until now, the tiny clump of heart cells, about the size of a poppy seed, has been still. But after 22 days, a single cell stirs, as if jolted to life. This tiny movement sparks a chain reaction, and other cells in the cluster pick up the rhythm. Incredibly, they all begin to beat in perfect unison. The new cells divide, dance to the same beat, and will grow to form the embryo's heart. The muscle cells of the heart are pre-programmed to contract. Later on, when the nervous system is more developed, the brain will carefully control the rate of contraction, keeping it steadily beating and pumping for the rest of the child's life. If she lives to 75, that'll be nearly 3 billion heartbeats. Without a heart, there's no way to deliver the food and oxygen the embryo needs to flourish. Now, with the heart pumping, primitive blood cells start to circulate in the fetus through veins no thicker than a hair. The blood cells bring vital supplies of oxygen and nutrients to fuel her phenomenal growth over the next 8 months.